Hey everyone, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Brianna, and this
is TBH Plant-Based Reviews.
Today we're doing vegetarian slow cooker baked beans by mycaliforniaroots.com. Okay, so I'm adding in the pinto beans and actually chickpeas. The recipe calls for navy beans, but I don't have those, so I'm using what I have on hand. And for the dry beans, I soak them overnight in the fridge. You always want to do that because I guess it gives you less gas. Alright. Beans are in. Spices. Brown sugar, which is actually coconut sugar because I don't have brown sugar. The onions and the garlic. Classy. Your vegetable broth, which is better than bouillon, vegetable base. The best vegetable stock ever. If you have a better one, let me know because that's my favorite so far. And all of the other wet ingredients. All those molasses. And just mix it up. And then we set it on high for 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours it says. So we will be back when it's all done. This recipe was really easy actually, and we were able to prep it without thinking about it on Sunday when we do our meal prep. We just threw it in the crock pot in the morning and let it cook for 8 hours. Yeah, it was really great.
It was perfect. We love meals like that because
yes.
you don't have to sit there and babysit the meal. You just let it go and simmer all down together.
Yeah, send us really crock pot recipes if you want us to test those out.
Yeah, me gives to. So we're gonna do a taste test of the recipe. We have the beans here. They're
beans are good for your heart.
The more you eat,
beans.
The more you fart.
The more you eat, the more you fart? I don't know. You let us know. Well, it's not bad. As far as taste goes, it's okay. I can really taste the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce we use.
I feel like this would be like on the side of like ribs or like mac and cheese, like something very
cornbread.
Yeah, like it's a very sweet bean. It's not. It doesn't really have any smokiness to it. It's not everything like that. So if you're looking for a recipe like that, probably not the one for you. Or you can alter it by adding a little bit of liquid smoke to it.
Yeah, I tend to like more of a smoky, mapley kind of bean. Like, actually, the one your mama makes is really good.
She also uses pork, so we would probably have to do like maybe some seitan cubes with marinated.
Jackfruit. Ooh, jackfruit, girl.
Yeah, we'd have to buy some fresh stuff.
I don't know how to do that. We can learn it.
We're gonna learn.
Learn it.
So I mean, I personally would recommend this to somebody looking for a start for their baked beans, and if someone that really likes like a sweeter baked bean that you want it for like a barbecue or with your homemade mac and cheese or your potatoes or whatever, that it'd be really good for that, I think.
Yep. And also, just to note, this one has a 5-star review from 8 reviews, so not too many reviews, but they are all 5 stars.
Yeah.
Which I would recommend this recipe. I think it's easy to just throw it in there and just leave it all day. But to follow this one to the T, you really have to like a sweet barbecue bean. I did enjoy it. I would personally give it like a 3.5 star rating out of 5. But as far as the recipe goes by itself, I would give it a 4.
Yeah, I think like for the ease of how fast everything came together, I'd give it a solid 4.
Yeah.
I would just make the alteration of just adding a bit more smoke, taking a little bit of sweet out, maybe adding more molasses instead of the barbecue, just to give it that earthy taste.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's a good all-around recipe.
So we would definitely recommend this one. It's not my favorite bean, but I do enjoy it and I do recommend it.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for watching.
So tired.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Yeah, if you guys like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell so you stay up to date with all of our most recent videos. And be sure to comment down below if you want us to try anything new or any homemade recipes that you have in your arsenal.
Definitely. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and have a great rest of your week.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.